Hello and welcome to Flipkart. Today I'm going to explore the Godrej Aeon 236-litre frost-free refrigerator. Now this is a very smart refrigerator and has quite a few interesting features under its belt. Let me quickly take you through them. To begin with, bad odor upon opening the refrigerator after a while can be a real problem, especially during summers. That is why this refrigerator comes equipped with an ever-fresh Aroma Lock deodorizer, which keeps the contents fresh for a longer period of time and prevents generation of bad odor. The Aroma Lock isn't the only smart feature of the fridge. The refrigerator also comes with a special antibacterial gasket around the door which ensures your food stays extra fresh for a longer period of time. The gasket also helps in retaining cooling and is fairly easy to remove when you need to clean the fridge thoroughly. Let me show you how. Now summers are a time when you just can't have enough bottles of cold water. Keeping that in mind, Godrej refrigerator comes with a removable chiller tray that has ample space to not just store your dairy items, but also doubles up to store 5 1-litre bottles. This means that you can invite more people over and still have the peace of mind that there will be enough water for everyone. With this refrigerator, cleaning the tray is also a breeze. It can be easily pulled out for cleaning purposes. The next time you come back home after an extensive grocery shopping, you won't have to look for places to squeeze in your vegetables. This refrigerator has been designed keeping your grocery shopping requirements in mind. With the jumbo vegetable tray, this fridge ensures that you never run out of space to store your vegetables. Now, nothing is worse than opening the fridge and finding out the vegetables you were planning to use for your dinner recipe have rotten. Thankfully, this fridge takes care of this with the intelligently designed honeycomb crisper cover, which promises improved freshness to vegetables by acting as a humidity controller and preventing vegetables and fruits from wilting and rotting. And the best of all, this Godrej refrigerator comes with a 10-year compressor warranty so that you have complete peace of mind. So guys, when it comes to utility and intelligence, the Godrej Aeon 236-litre frost-free refrigerator pretty much ticks all the boxes and is a complete package. This is sure to become a household favorite in no time. And buying this on Flipkart is a deal that I feel you cannot afford to miss. Because on Flipkart, you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and assured brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me and have a perfect buy.